Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Apathy and you can find me on here in Instagram under that name. Today I will be going over this really pretty warm summer glam look. Absolutely fair warning for this. I'm sicker than shit and I don't know what I'm sick with or what I'm allergic to, and it makes me kind of sound like gross and stuffy, but please just rock with me on this one here. So again, I'm Apathy. Please subscribe below. And at the end of this video, if you love this look, dislike it, whatever, please give me some feedback in the comments, and I would love to hear that from you. Head over to my Instagram, give me a follow, and I post up there all the time. So here's the tutorial. Thank you so much again for watching. All right, so to start this look, I'm just gonna go in with the Acure Brightening Day Cream. I'll make sure all that is really in my skin and all over my face. Once the moisturizer is set, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever primer. This stuff is the hydrating primer, but yeah. So I'll just put this all over my face to make sure I have a really good base built, and we can go from there. Once my face is primed, I'm going to go in with the MAC Pro Longwear Foundation in NC35. I will go in with a damp makeup sponge. This is a Real Technique sponge from Target. And just blend this all over and really press it into my skin. Now, once I have my foundation on, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to be using the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in 255 Medium Sand. I'm going to be using this underneath my eyes to really cover up those dark spots and brighten up. I will also add a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in light medium sand. Dab that in with this. I'll be going back in with that damp beauty blender to blend this out. I will also be pulling this concealer onto my eyelids because I will be using a very bright eyeshadow look today, like I mentioned. And I'm going to go ahead and bake my concealer. I just spilled powder fucking everywhere. It's fine. We're fine. As always, I will be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent Extra Coverage, and yep. And while my face is baking, I will be going in and doing my eyebrows. I'll just start with brushing them out. We'll be going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. I'll be using just a very tight angled brush. This one is the Sephora Pro Angled Liner eyeliner brush, number 22. And now I have two eyebrows, the most important part of everyone's face. Change my mind, you can't. So once I have my eyebrows done, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyeshadow, and I'm really excited about this, guys. Super fucking pumped. I was messing around and I just kind of started blending colors and I was like, holy shit, I really like this. So I knew I had to do a video on it. I'll start with the Anastasia Subculture palette. This is one of my favorite palettes and it is so underutilized by me. And that's something I'm really going to work on because it has so many awesome colors in it. Look at these bad boys. But for this look, I will be going in with this orangey shade, this New Wave. It's very sherbety. A little goes a really long way with these palettes. I will just be picking up a little bit of that on a smaller fluffy brush. I'm really bad at terminology. I'm going to get better. But I will just go in with this color in my crease, and this will be my transition shade. Thank you so much for dealing with my sniffles because I don't even want to deal with them anymore. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 9N palette. This it's I don't know what to call that. It's called Make Out. I'll be going in with the same brush with that color, just like that. And I will go ahead and put this into that outer V, but also focus on blending it upwards and into that crease. So really, when you're trying to do this look at home, it doesn't matter if you don't have these exact palettes. Like a really nice orange and as well as like an orange red, and you should be fine. I'm also gonna take that makeout color underneath the eye. I'm gonna go back in with a smaller brush with that New Wave color. And then I'm gonna take that small brush again, and I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna be going in with this yellow color. It's called Edge. And I'm gonna go in to my inner corner, right about here and here, and I'm gonna blend this guy into this look. And I'm gonna leave a little bit room because I'm gonna do a pop of glitter. Same thing to the other eye. And once I have that yellow worked, what the fuck did I just do? Eyeshadow residue on my hands. All right, so once I have that yellow worked in, I'm actually gonna go in and remove my bake, just so I can kind of see what I'm working with and all these colors. Now I'm gonna go in with the Mica Beauty Cosmetics highlight number 3. And I'm gonna take that same little brush, this guy, and I went in and I sprayed it with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. So I got my brush loaded with that, and I'm just gonna tap the excess into the lid. Just a touch. A little pop. Oh yeah. Just gonna touch that to the inner corner. And then to pull it all together, I'm gonna go back in with the Subculture palette with the original orange we used, New Wave. And I will just be taking just a bit of that with the original brush and blending around that glitter. To finish off the eyes, I mentioned in my previous video that I have eyelash extensions, but I forgot to book my fill this week and my tech is completely booked. So I will be waiting another week with like no eyelashes to my name. So I will be going in with the Flutterfly strip lashes. The people at Flutterfly were so nice to gift me these. I won a giveaway a while back. The packaging is amazing and the quality is great. I've used the other pair they sent me. This is Onyx. So if you want to order these, if you really like them, I definitely recommend it. So I will just go ahead and pop these on. Love them. We'll just be adding a little bit of mascara on the bottom, and I will be going in with the It Superhero Mascara. Now, after my eyes are done, I'm just gonna go in with a bronzer brush. This is from Beauty Concepts. I think it was from Walmart or Target. I've had it for a really long time. And then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm gonna contour out underneath my cheekbones, like right in that hollow. Also up on my forehead. I'm just gonna add a little bit all over just to warm up my face. And I will also be taking just a small contour brush and going in on each side of my nose. Looks snatched. Blend that out. Then I will be going in with my Benefit California blush, angled blush brush. I've had it forever. Yeek. And I'll just apply this to the cheeks. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with my highlight. For my highlight today, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I will be using the shade Summer. It's my favorite, and you can probably tell because you can see all of the pan. It's that gold one. Going in and highlighting. I will also take just a touch of this with a smaller brush and highlight my brow bone. Then I will be adding my lipstick, and I will be doing the Ulta Beauty Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. This stuff is awesome. It goes on like a gloss, dries like lipstick, and doesn't move. Color is... holy fuck. Okay, well this one doesn't have the color written on it, but it's like this really pretty, like, dark rose. I can try to find the color if you're super interested in it, but I have no idea what it is. This is much darker than I anticipated. So we're just kind of rocking with it, but I am gonna go in with this Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. It's $6.74 in Coral Berry. I'm just gonna add a little bit. And then that is the tutorial. This is the like summer glam look I was really trying to go for. I am obsessed. And if you liked this video, please like, comment below, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos as much as I can, and I hope to hear your guys' feedback and follow my Instagram. I know I said that in the intro. Please, please, please give my Instagram a follow. It's 2_apathy. So if you need to know how to spell that, see my name below. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait for my next video. Bye.